Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PUFFER token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, PUFFER is a decentralized infrastructure protocol built to enhance Ethereum scalability and security through liquid restaking and native rollup technology. Core mission: it provides a security first yard stake, allowing ETH holders to earn compound rewards from staking and restaking while contributing to network decentralization. Integrated ecosystem: the platform operates through the Puffer liquid restaking token LRT and the UniFi suite, which include scaling solutions and pre-confirmation services. Governance token: the Puffer token is used to community governance, directing protocol parameters, selecting service operators, and managing the ecosystem treasury. Puffer project institution rating is 4.6. Puffer token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 483.81 million Puffer token. Puffer token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.